Welcome to the Fruit and Veggie Adventure. Today, we are going to explore some delicious fruit and vegetables and learn their names. Are you ready? Let's go! Orange, orange. Cherry, cherry. Plum, plum. Strawberry, strawberry. Red delicious apple, red delicious apple. Papaya, papaya. Snap peas, snap peas. Cassava, cassava. Okra, okra. Pineapple, pineapple. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Blueberry, blueberry. Pear, pear. Red grapes, red grapes. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Endive lettuce, endive lettuce. Kale, kale. Green onion, green onion. Lychee, lychee. Red bell pepper, red bell pepper. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Collard greens, collard greens. Mushroom, mushroom. Plantain, plantain. Kumquat, kumquat. Radish, radish. Parsnip, parsnip. Jicama, jicama. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Coconut, coconut. Gooseberry, gooseberry. Artichoke, artichoke. Key lime, key lime. Guava, guava. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Leek, leek.